Evening, everybody. Tori with Soper Firearms Training coming at you again, and I gotta tell you, I'm super excited today. I'm just as happy as a puppy with two Peters. I got something. I got me the new Walther PDP full size 4.5 inch. Just picked it up about an hour ago, so I thought I would come home and throw on the camera and do a little box opening here and take a peek at it and tell you all why I decided to go with this one instead of the other one I was thinking about. And I'll just tell you what I think about it, and well, let's get into this. I'm psyched. I'm super excited. I just wish I could shoot it. I'm not going to get to shoot it until next week, probably. Number one, I like this case. I like the way they've done these big cutouts like they did with the pistol. So when you purchase the PDP, you get, of course, your pistol. You get the lock that will probably go in the barrel with the 5 or 6 other ones I have. Of course, you got 2 back straps here. I don't know which one of these I'm going to use yet. My plan as of right now is I will get out my Mantis at some point and I will do benchmarks with each one of these, with all 3 of them, and see how they feel, see if anyone acts any better than the other one. And then I may do that again in some live fire at some time. I got a lot going on. I've got to head for Utah in a couple of days. I'll be down there for about a week. So this is going with me. I'm doing a class with my family, so I will get to do some shooting. It just won't be a whole lot. You get 2 magazines. They send you a mag loader. Of course, this will go in my pile of stuff because I use a Maglula Uplula. And really, if you want a nice reloader, I'll put a link in the description for them. That is the best mag loader I've ever had. So you get 2 magazines. Let's put that back on there. Now, let's get into the pistol itself. Here we go. There she is. Now, I bounced back and forth between this Walther PDP and the HK VP9. I've been going back and forth a lot. The VP9 is a great pistol. It felt good in my hand. But when it came down to it, when it came time for me to make the decision, here's what I noticed. The Walther, for me, I like the grip. I liked the grip a lot better. I like this. I think they're calling this, it's a hexagon with a little pyramid on the inside of it. When I get my grip on this, boy, let me tell you, it bites back. It really does. And real quick here, we'll go ahead and slide this lock the slide back. We do have an empty magazine. Like I said, I just bought it, so we are clear. I haven't even tore it down yet. I haven't field stripped it, nothing. I'm going to read the owner's manual, the instruction booklet there before I do anything. But yeah, the other thing that got me with this over the VP9 was the trigger. I love this trigger. There is, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. There is very little take up. There's not a lot. And when you get to the wall, there is no creep. It's wall and bang. There is no creep. And as far as the reset goes, let's try that again. Trying to do this so you can see it. It is super short. Well, I don't know what I did wrong there. Probably because I'm doing it with the wrong hand. So yeah, it is just super short, and it's tactile. You can hear it, you can feel it. And again, I went with the 4.5 inch barrel. I wanted more of the rail here. The other thing is, through carrying, I've learned that a little bit longer barrel, because I carry appendix, The little bit longer barrel's a little more comfortable. The other thing is this magazine release. Nice and big, but it's somewhat protected on the bottom here, so you're not going to accidentally, while you're getting a grip or something, you're not going to accidentally hit that, which I really like. But it does, and it will. Oops, let's put a magazine in. But it shoots them right out. Yeah, I really like that. The other thing is, I was watching a video this morning about PDPs, and the guy was measuring his trigger. Walther is advertising their trigger pulls at 4.5 to 5 inches, pounds. I act like I don't know what I'm talking about. So when I got to the gun shop this afternoon, when I got off work, I asked him if he would get his gauge out and measure it. This trigger, out of 3 trigger pulls, was a 3.14, a 3.12, and a 3.11. So I really think this gun is going to shoot super fast. I'm super, super excited. Like I said, I wish I was going to get time to shoot this. There will be some video of me when I get to Utah. Like I said, I'm going to do a class with the family. The range we're going to has agreed to let me set the camera up and do some video. So, yeah, hey, subscribe to my channel. Give me a like. Hit the bell. Watch me. I'm going to do some stuff to this. I'm going to put a red dot on it. Probably won't do anything. I'm not going to do anything with the trigger. I'm going to put a red dot on it. I got to get a holster for it. And as I get each piece, we'll go through and do another review. I'll let you know what I keep thinking. Anyway, hey, I appreciate your time. I appreciate if you subscribe. Give me a, like the video, and let me know if you think I'm doing a good job. Do I sound okay? Am I doing all right? Am I still kind of sounding like I'm new to all this? But yeah, send me a comment. Let me know. I appreciate you, and you guys have yourself a great evening.